Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aria, and in today's video, we're going to get packed up and ready to go for our beach vacation. I'm so excited. I need my week at the beach. So today we're doing packing. So we're going to pack with me, get everything together for everybody in the house. We're going to pick up our minivan that we're renting, and then we're going to pack that up. So I'll show you all of that. So it's just going to be a vlog of us getting everything packed up and ready to go. So if you like these kind of videos, because I definitely do, I enjoy watching packing videos, then keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. I'd love to have you here, and like this video if you like this kind of content. Let's get going. I'm starting with packing my suitcase, which we got these suitcases from Amazon. These are the largest of the set of 3. I'll leave that video linked as well if you want to check out some of my Amazon travel finds that I've gotten. But I'm using just regular packing because I did order packing cubes, but they did not arrive on time. So I'm just going to try to just pack what I can as I can. I don't really have a real method. It's been so long since I've had to pack in this kind of way, but I'm just going to pack up everything. I have lots of shorts, a couple of simple cotton dresses. Like this one's from J. Crew. It's just a t-shirt dress, and the other one was from Target. It's a maxi dress, but we're going to the beach, y'all. So lots of jeans, shorts, lots of tees, lots of tanks, and making it really, really simple. You may be thinking this is a lot that you're packing for a week at the beach, and it is, but if you know, like when you go to the beach, you might go to the beach in the morning, then you come back, take a shower, change clothes, go to lunch, go to the pool later, come back, take a shower, go to dinner type of thing. So I wanted to make sure I had plenty of options. And then I'm putting all of my shoes. Yes, I did wear all of these shoes. I put all of these shoes in this zipper compartment, and then I'm going to add my swimsuits to the little corner over here. I like to pack extra swimsuits for the same reason, just because I don't want to have to do laundry. There is laundry in the condo that we're staying at, but I prefer to just bring everything home and wash it at home and just have lots of extras when we're there. I'm helping my son pack his suitcase, and he's going to pack the rest, but I decided, so they're using the middle size of the suitcases in the set, my son and my daughter, and I'm using the compression cubes to help make space in there. So I just wanted to show him how you need to fold everything to fit the size of the cube before you zip it up and compress it, and that way you get the best space saving option that way. So I just wanted to show him how to do that, and I'll show you as well in case you haven't used a compression cube before, but they make such a big difference. We'll definitely be using them when we go on our trip to Florida, and we're just using carry-ons. I don't like to use other people's towels if I can help it, so we took our own sets of towels, and we're using this bag. We have this set of bags that we got from Amazon last summer when we were preparing for taking my daughter to her dorm, and so we're going to use those again this year. But they were perfect for holding all of our towels, our beach towels, our washcloths, and we got a little small iron. But this little bag is mighty. It carries so much, and it is so sturdy. So I'll link these down in the description box. You definitely want to check those out. They're perfect for things like this, but they're also great. Like I said, we use them for packing my daughter up and for moving. It's really great for that. Okay, so we're making good progress. This is a bin. I'm not going to probably keep this in here like that, but that's just our beach bag. So this is just some extra things that we have. Paper towels, toilet paper. My mom has a lot of the stuff that, we need for this kind of stuff, but I just wanted to make sure that we're covered. So I haven't been drinking coffee in a long time, but my husband does like coffee, even though he normally hasn't been drinking coffee because he works nights right now. But in case he wants coffee, I got him some creamer and some sugar because my mom doesn't use those. But then I still have space after our beach bag I'm checking off my list, getting things done. So right now, even though we're trying to like make sure that we get as much as we done covered today, I definitely want to still make sure that I still have the things I need for the morning before we leave. So I am going to be packing my greens and my stirrer. I'm not going to pack like my little blender because I don't need to I don't have to have a protein shake every day. But I just want to try to avoid having to go out and buy a bunch of things that I don't need. So I might buy some ready-made protein shakes. I feel like I just absolutely have to have it. Of course, we're going to take any of our supplements and vitamins and things of that nature. I do take my monthly, or my monthly. I wish it was just monthly. No, I take my weekly Zepbound on Mondays, so I do need to pack that, but I'll pack that with me when we go tomorrow. It is a refrigerated medicine, so I am going to probably put it in like a little lunchbox thing. Thankfully, it actually can go a good amount of time without being refrigerated before it loses its whatever. So that's good, but I just want to be on the safe side. Got to do all my electronics. I'm probably going to put that in my travel backpack that I've shared on TikTok Shop. So I'm probably going to use that for that to cover all of my electronics, my laptop, my iPad, my camera, all those good things. But yeah, we're coming along. We're coming along. I'm feeling good because I feel like I've been at this for an hour. So that's pretty good. Well, I'm tired now. I was waiting for this to come. It was supposed to come yesterday, and then it never came. And then I saw this morning it said it was going to come on the 29th, which was going to be too late because we're going to be already at the beach. And then it said it's going to be here today. So it just arrived. These are just packing cubes. So I'm going to redo some of my packing, but I don't think I'm going to try to film it because I think James might be, I don't know what he's doing up there. And I'm getting tired. So I'm losing my steam. But I want to go ahead and do that. And then I might just end up doing like an overview of whatever else is left. So I got this. You probably by the time you see, I have no idea what you're going to see first or what have you. And I feel like my camera might be a little dirty. I don't know what you're going to see, but I did get this for my jewelry. I don't have a ton, but I do have a few things that I want to take with me. Just because I've gotten used to kind of being someone who wears jewelry more frequently. So yeah, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take a much needed relaxation. I will show you the minivan. And I'm going to end up packing the minivan later today because I don't want to be trying to do that in the morning and getting rushed and getting stressed out. But just wanted to give a little update. Okay, so real quick, I did switch it out. I have a few shirts. I have a shirt over here that I need to get and a couple of shirts. I don't know why I have so many shirts. But to me, when you're at the beach, you might change your clothes a couple times in the day. You might go out to the beach, the pool, come back, get dressed, and then go do that and reverse it again. And, not reverse it, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to put the other shirts I have in here. This is all my swim stuff. These are all my shorts. And all the two dresses are in here too. And then I have nightgowns in here. I don't have anything in this one right here. And then I have bras, underwear, socks, and then all of my shoes. So my sneakers are for like if I'm going to be doing any walking. My mom likes to walk a lot, so I feel like we might end up walking. I think we're kind of close to the boardwalk. But everything else, give me a slipper, girl. Not a slipper, a sandal. Because it's the beach and it's hot and yeah. So the only other things that I'm thinking of taking, matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and grab them now, are like a thicker pair of like pants. I feel like if I don't take a sweatshirt and then I have these sweatpants, these are both from Hollister. If I don't take them, I'm going to feel like I'm going to regret not taking them just because I tend to be cold. I don't know how cold is the air conditioning in the Airbnb, so you never know. So I'm just going to take this because I'm easily cold. So while we're in the house, I'd rather do that. So I think that about wraps everything up as far as what's going in here. I still need to pack my toiletries, makeup, any of that kind of stuff. I have my jewelry organizer up here, so I'm going to pack that up. And I don't know, I have a lot of carry-on bags, weekender style bags. So I think I'm gonna put all of that stuff in one of those. I just don't know which bag I'm gonna take. I was going to use my travel backpack, which I actually bought for James. Have I mentioned this in this video? I have no idea. But he also is saying that he's going to take his laptop. So I'm going to pick one of my other bags because I think my other bags also have a laptop sleeve in there. So I can keep all of my equipment and stuff together. But we're coming along. I'm really tired, so I'm going to take a break now. But we're coming along. Okay, so these are just a couple of the bags that I have. But I think the one, so this is the travel backpack. So it has this really good padded sleeve in the back for a laptop and stuff. So I got this for flying purposes, but I think I'm gonna let James use this one, and I'm gonna use this one from BagSmart. This one has the extra sleeve, specifically like padded and stuff for a laptop. So I'm gonna use this one. This is a good bag too, but it doesn't have that extra padded protection, and neither does this one, but they're really, really roomy. These are both from Levook. So they're available on Amazon, but they're also on TikTok Shop, and a lot of times they're a little bit cheaper on TikTok Shop. So I think I've shared this one on my TikTok Shop. Maybe I shared this one, but I have definitely shared a couple of videos on this one on my TikTok Shop. So I'll leave the links down below if you want to check out full reviews. But yeah, I'm going to set this aside so I don't feel tempted to try to use it. I'm going to go ahead and take this one, and I'll put these away in my closet. I got this toiletry organizer from Amazon specifically for a beach trip or when we take longer trips like this. This is the large size. It does come in a medium size. The large size can hold your full-size products. So to me, that's perfect for when you're going to the beach for an entire week. You don't have to worry about buying a bunch of travel size items. Everything can just be your regular items that you use. And so yeah, I definitely loved having this. You can just hang it up either in the bathroom or on a closet, and it just works perfectly. I'm still at it. I'm just adding in all the things I can think about. I just want to make sure I don't have anything that I might possibly need, like an inhaler is a good idea. So all of our other like medications that like we all might need, I have downstairs. That's going to go in a different bin, like with a household bin. So I have that, and then I have hair stuff, body wash. I decided to bring my small size because I don't think I'll use that whole thing, but then I don't know if Jordan needs it. I can always buy more of these. So I bought these for our next trip, but I can always buy more. I'll just remind Jordan that he needs to take his. But I brought an extra pair of contacts just in case, a lens case, my eye drops. I think I have everything. The only thing that's not in here is my morning skincare. My nighttime skincare stuff is in here, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just put my morning skincare stuff in here just to be on the safe side. I still need to pack this with all of my cords. They're buried under here. And then I do have this that I got from Amazon for a while ago. So I'm going to put anything that's like makeup related. It's a beach week, so my makeup's going to be very minimal, but I got to have something. So I'm going to put that stuff in here. And all of that's going to go in here, but I have my laptop. I'm going to put that in here. I got all my chargers, like I said. My iPad's right over here next to me, but I'm holding my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. this is for my, of course, these are my AirPods. You can see that. My Kindle charger. I didn't put anything over here because I'm running out of space. Maybe I should have watched somebody's video about how to do this in a better way. But this is for a regular iPhone. This is for my iPhone and my iPad. And then the only thing that's left outside of this that I can just tuck away is my Fitbit charger and my laptop charger. So I may have overpacked, and that's saying a lot because you haven't seen my husband's suitcase. He definitely overpacked. But this may need to go. This may need to go outside of here. I have room in my suitcase. I think I have room in my suitcase that can go. So I'm just gonna wait because, so I have my regular purse. I need to take a lot of this stuff out of here. How about let's do that? I have my regular purse, but a crossbody, my Kate Spade crossbody bag. So if we're going, you know, to a nicer restaurant, otherwise I'm gonna be wearing my fanny pack or my belt bag is what I like to call it. So I need to make sure I have that in here. And then this is my jewelry. I don't have a lot, but just, you know, enough. So I'll put that in there. I need to make sure I take my notebook. I have a planner kit for this week, but I'm gonna put this in this bag. But I don't want to take my planner because I know I'm not gonna have time to get into it. And I might want to remove the tag. That might be a good idea also. But this can slide in here. So I want to just make sure I have, and I might want to make sure I have a pen because there's nothing worse than not having a pen. Well, you know, I'll have access to a pen, but I'm very particular about the pens that I use. As you saw, I have my tripod in here, my portable one anyway, so that's good. Sunglasses, and one of the kids is going to bring me a case for my actual glasses for when I'm not wearing my contacts. So I have an extra pair of glasses. I need to do something with that. I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up real quick. And I'm gonna keep it in my bathroom so I can use it in the morning and just put it in there in the morning. Okay, I didn't get a chance to share yesterday, but I have a couple things that need to go in here. But we are all packed up, like to the brim in here. We got everything we need. So we're about to hit the road and go to the funeral first. I'm gonna be a rare passenger princess on the first leg of the trip. Okay. Yeah, I said okay. So let me get in here. I have no idea what I look like. I hope it's not too bad. I didn't get a chance to do like a minivan tour or anything like that in this video, but I will still show it because we've already been here. We got here yesterday. It was a hectic day yesterday. So, but I wanted to give an ending spot to the vlog. So thanks for packing with me and getting us to the beach. And I will be sharing clips here and there in an upcoming vlog of our week. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.